Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. I want to cover a topic that has become very important in our trading career, and that's learning how to trade quickly and how do you get more experience in a short period of time. The tool that we found that does that for you is simulated trading. And you can do this on your MetaTrader 4 platform without any special tools. So what I've done here is this blue line represents where I just came in. I had some time to trade, come in and start looking at the market. And I look at this on this 4-hour chart as I'm looking for the direction. And when it started going up, then I go to a 30-minute or any lower time frame and only take buy signals. So these little retracements, I wouldn't be trading those. I'm only trading in the direction of the trend of a larger time frame. And I've chosen the 4-hour for this illustration. You can use the same thing for a 1-hour, or you can use the same thing for the day. The next line that I've drawn is a red line. This is where the 4-hour changes directions. You can see a nice big long trend here, but it's marked by the indicators. So what we do is we take this anchor. First of all, we call it the anchor. So when you turn the auto scroll off, which is turned off now, the little anchor appears. If you've never used it before, it's going to find it right over here in the corner. But you take this anchor, that's what we call it, it's an anchor, and you move it right over here onto the last bar that you can see on your chart. Now there, you can't visually see it because once you let up on it, that line disappears. But we slide the chart over, representing this is where we came in. Now when we move this over on this 4-hour chart, then we want to switch to a 30-minute time frame, for example. You can do the same thing on the 15 or the 1-hour, but the 30 and 4 hours seem to be a good combination. The 4-hour and 1 day is not too bad. The day and the 4-hour or the day and the 1-hour are pretty good as well. You can use any time frames, but pick a larger time frame. I've chosen the 4-hour, and now I'm going to the 30-minute. Now the bar is right here. So now this blue bar says we only take buy signals. We've already determined that because that's what the market was doing overall, and you can see overall this is what it looked like on the 30-minute too. It was overall it was up. So we hit the F12 key on our keyboard. Now there's a little dip right there, but now we're starting to see potential right here for a buy trade. And we could determine where to get in and where to get out. But you're only taking signals going in the long direction. Not every trade is going to be a big fantastic move. There was a nice little move, but this teaches you get more experience quickly seeing how the market sets up. And I'm just pushing, every time you see it move, I'm pushing the F12 key to move it across one section at a time. See, now there's another buy signal, and so it was a short one. Got exit signals, get back out. Okay, we're still looking for buy signals. Remember the direction of the trend on that larger time frame. Yes, is it going down? Don't worry about it. Go to a different currency pair in real time and find those that are going the same direction. You'll get a high probability trades that way. Okay, right here, another buy signal. We're looking for buy signals, and it was a small one, possibly exit, or we could have stayed in. That's another video, another education piece to teach you when to get out and when to stay in. But this is just to show you how to use simulated trading, how to get experience quickly. Okay, now would you take any of these trades? Yeah, you say, well, I'm missing things. It's just a retracement on the 4-hour chart. Don't get concerned about it. We know that we've already determined that the market's going up. The market has not told us that it's going down totally until the indicators tell us that. When we see that red line that we drew up here, see there's another nice buy signal right there, and a little bit of buy there, still buy signal there. I'm suspecting we should be getting close to that sell signal right there. I just knew it because we'd gone quite a few times. Okay, right here is where we start only taking sell signals. Now we don't know what that market's going to do. We looked at it on the 4-hour. We know for this trading simulated trading video, but we don't know what the market's going to do at this point. And so we just take sell signals here. Okay, we might want to get out there. Do we want to get out? Do you want to stay in? Those are things you have to decide. And the more you do it, the more experience you'll get. And you go back and look at the 4-hour to see if you want to stay in or get out. And some little trades, but we're not taking into those little buy trades. We're only looking for sell trades because the overall trend on the 4 hour is still going down, and it rests once in a while. But you can see overall, that's where you're going to get your big pips. It's when you trade in the direction of the trend on that 4 hour chart. So that's one thing you need to practice on a regular basis. We suggest 15 minutes a day looking at your strategies, looking for entry, exit signals, and this way you'll get more experience in a shorter period of time than just taking a lot of trades. But we encourage you to do that as well. Hope this will help to you. Talk to you later. Bye.